If you're a homeowner in Pell City, upgrading your windows to energy-efficient models is a smart investment. Not only do these modern windows improve your home's aesthetics, but they also enhance comfort, reduce energy bills, and increase property value. With advancements in window technology, there are several options to suit your needs and budget. Let's explore the top energy-efficient window replacement choices available in Pell City. The benefits of energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows offer multiple advantages. They help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer, keeping your home warm in winter and cool in summer. This reduces strain on your HVAC system and lowers utility bills. Additionally, these windows minimize outdoor noise, block harmful UV rays, and reduce condensation buildup. For residents in Pell City, where summers can be scorching and winters chilly, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a practical solution for year-round comfort. Key features of energy-efficient windows. When choosing replacement windows, look for the following features: low E glass coating, low emissivity. Low E glass is coated with microscopic layers that reflect infrared heat while allowing natural light to pass through. This keeps heat out during the summer and traps warmth inside during the winter. Double or triple pane. Multi-pane windows are filled with insulating gases like argon or krypton between the panes, enhancing thermal performance and reducing energy loss. Energy Star certification. Windows with the Energy Star label meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, ensuring significant energy savings. Durable frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames are excellent options for energy efficiency as they resist warping and insulate better than traditional materials. Weather stripping and seals. High-quality seals and weather stripping prevent drafts, ensuring that your home remains energy efficient year-round. Popular energy-efficient window styles. Here are some of the most popular energy-efficient window styles available in Pell City. Double-hung windows. These versatile windows feature two operable sashes for excellent ventilation and easy cleaning. With modern upgrades, double-hung windows now offer better insulation and energy savings. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward. They provide an airtight seal when closed, making them an excellent choice for energy efficiency. Picture windows. Fixed and non-operable, picture windows offer superior energy efficiency due to their sealed design. They also maximize natural light and offer unobstructed views. Sliding windows. Sliding windows are easy to operate and provide good insulation. Modern designs feature enhanced seals and multi-pane options to improve energy performance. Bay and bow windows. These larger window configurations add charm to your home while incorporating energy-efficient glass and materials to maintain comfort. Finding the right window replacement professionals in Pell City. To ensure you get the most from your energy-efficient windows, it's essential to work with experienced professionals. Reputable window replacement companies in Pell City will offer free consultations, evaluate your home's needs and recommend suitable options. Customization, tailored solutions to match your style and budget. Expert installation, proper installation is crucial for energy efficiency. Warranties, ensure peace of mind with warranties on products and services. Local incentives and rebates. Homeowners in Pell City may also benefit from rebates or incentives when upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Check with local utility companies or government programs to see if you qualify for financial assistance, tax credits, or discounts. These incentives can significantly offset the upfront costs of window replacement. Making the switch. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a decision that pays off in the long run. From lower energy bills to increased comfort, the benefits are undeniable. When selecting your replacement windows in Pell City, prioritize quality, durability, and performance. A small investment today can lead to substantial savings and a more sustainable home for years to come. By choosing the right energy-efficient windows and working with trusted professionals, you'll transform your Pell City home into an energy-saving haven while enhancing its curb appeal. Would you like additional insights or a deeper focus on specific window styles or local installers? Let me know.